dear friends, welcome to Megha's tutorial Ilkal. In today's video, we are going to solve hstr 2012 Maths and Physics paper. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Question number 1. Which of the following has 0 baryon number? First option we are having delta plus plus, means it is a quark having up. It is having the value of baryon number is equal to 1 by 3. Same, the pion is having the baryon number 0 here. Proton is having the baryon number 1 and neutron is also having the baryon number 1. So the particle which is having the baryon number 0 is nothing but the pion, that is option number 2 will be the correct answer here. So what is the typical conduction voltage for silicon diode? For silicon diode, the conduction voltage value is 0.7 volt. For germanium, it will be 0.3 volt. A 6.2 volt zener is rated at 1 watt. The maximum safe current the zener can carry is. You are given 4 options. You have to choose the correct one here. Let us solve this one. The given values are potential drop Vz value is 6.2 volt. Power is 1 watt. In zener diode, maximum rated power is given by P maximum is equal to Vz into I maximum. We get 161 milliampere here. The energy required to move a body of mass m from the Earth's orbit of radius 2r to 3r is. Okay, you have to solve this one. Here we are using the energy required formula minus gm divided by 3r minus of gm divided by 2r. Altogether we are going to get gm divided by 6r. Okay. For this we are having the answer option number 1, that is gm divided by 6r will be the right answer here. Next question we are having fifth one. The rate of flow of liquid through a capillary tube under the constant pressure head is Q. If the diameter of the tube is reduced to half and if the length is doubled, then the new rate of flow of fluid will be. Again, you have to solve this one. First, you have to write down the given values and take the formula for Q and find out the Q dash value. Just take a screenshot and later you can solve it. You'll get the value of Q dash is equal to Q divided by 32. The answer for this question is option number 1, that is Q divided by 32. Okay. Next one, sixth question. The condition for secondary maximum in the Fraunhofer diffraction pattern at a single slit is given by. So this is a direct question. You can directly write it as d sin theta is equal to 3 lambda divided by 2. 7. A Carnot engine with a source at 500 Kelvin and sink at 375 Kelvin consumes 600 kilocalories of heat in one cycle. Then the heat rejected to the sink per cycle is. So we have to solve this using the formula for the work done. So here we are using the formula, writing the given values first. Then we are going to use the formula W by QH is equal to 1 minus Ts dash divided by Ts. Finally, we are getting the answer as 450 kilocalories. For this Carnot engine, the heat rejected to the sink per cycle is 450 kilocalories. That is option number 3. 8. The characteristic property of light wave which is independent of the nature of the medium through which it passes. The characteristic property which is independent of the nature of the medium is, the correct answer is here the frequency, that is option number 3. Frequency will be independent of the nature of the medium through which it passes. Well, the ninth one, interaction between neighboring dipoles is negligible in case of antiferromagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic and ferromagnetic materials. The correct option here is the paramagnetic materials, we can say. 10th one, the charge and spin of neutrino are respectively. You are given 4 options here. The correct one is here 0. The charge is 0 and the spin of the neutrino